In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to set up Firebase in your iOS app using Swift Package Manager. No Cocoa Pods, no confusion, and you'll have it working in Xcode by the end. So let's create our project. I'll just call the project Firebase Social App. Let me do that again. Firebase Social App. Click on continue. And then we can select an account. I just selected any previous account that's already there. The project has now been generated, so we just click on continue. The next thing we need to do is click on Add App. Since we're building iOS apps, we click on iOS. Next thing we need to do is to get our Apple bundle ID from my application, from my Xcode project, which is here. And then we just paste it into that field there, and then we click on the register app button. And then we just download our Google Services info.plist. And then we drag our plist, which is this file here. It might be downloaded to your downloads folder. On mine is on my desktop, so we drag the plist and we just drop it into our project. And then we just click on finish. And then your Google Service info plist will be displayed here. Within our browser, we just click on next. Click on next again. And again. To add Firebase SDK to our project, we use the Swift Package Manager. So we could click on File, Add Package Dependencies. This is the URL. Just select it. It's already added to my project at the moment, but you just select it. And then after that, the Add Package button should be enabled. Then you just click on Add Package button. And then you just wait for the Firebase iOS SDK Swift Manager packages to be downloaded into your project. Your configuration is now set up for Firebase.